Welcome back to the topic synthetic division. Now, we have already practiced how we divide polynomial by the long division method, right? So for example, we have this 3x to the fourth minus 7x minus 40, okay? Divided by na ipa-divide nato kay kaning nga term, x plus 2. So in this case, we have a polynomial divided by kanang duha ka no binomial, duha ka term. So sa long division, how do we do that? First, we rearrange this, okay, in terms of decreasing dapat ihang exponent or power. So we do that, simplify that by having 3x to the 4 dapat sundan na x cube, no? So 0 x cube kay wala man kay x cube. Then plus, no, plus pareha ram ng minus plus nga 0, right? Plus 0x squared plus minus 7x minus 40, okay, divided by this one, x plus 2. Kaya na-arrange naman daan yung x plus 2, no? Ang sunod sa x, constant naman bali. So that's okay. So if we do that, well, daan sa to ang approach, no? Sa long division method, yun sa gay na pagkuhan. Let me put it in this way, no? There lang sa kilid. I think this will just be short. 3x to the 4th plus 0x cubed plus 0x squared minus 7x minus 40, okay? Oo, medyo dili kay maayo musulat pa. So, akong isdo gamay ang kuano kay murag na di na siya maigo. Minus 7x minus 40, okay? Let me try do this in a fast way. This will be what? Divided by x plus 2. So, first step, you look onto the no, let's try to do this fast. So 3x to the 4th of x, so we'll have 3x cubed here. 3x cubed times that, we'll have 3x to the 4th plus what? Plus 3, no, not 3, but plus 6x cubed, right? So that's what, you subtract that by here, this will be negative 6x cubed, you copy plus 0x squared, okay? Next will be what? Negative 6x cubed divide that, it will be divide x. It will be what? Negative 6x squared. So simply, negative 6x squared times that, negative 6x cubed minus 12, what? 12x squared. Okay, what is 0 minus negative 12? That's 12x squared, right? Then you bring down negative 7x. Okay, nga na lang kadali, no? Bring that down. 12x squared divide x, that will be what? Plus 12x. Okay, and then 12x plus 2, that's simply 12x squared plus 24x, right? Then you, sorry, synthetic division. Okay, so 24x, then we subtract, we'll have negative 7x minus 24, that's negative 31x. Then you bring down the negative 40, we'll have here, well, that's negative 31x minus what? Minus 31, that's 31 times x plus 2. Well, the answer will be negative 31x minus 62. 62, and that negative 40 minus 62, that's 22. Okay, 22. So the answer will be, so ang answer dayon karon kay, dapat ang answer anin siya kung i-divide, no, ang answer niya dapat kay 3x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x minus 31 plus 22 over x plus 2, right? Bali mo ni bali ang answer, okay? Ingon na siya bali nga ko ano. Okay, but now let us try to do that. Well, is there a shorter way? Medyo taas, no? Taas gid siya kay ano man, na-consume mo to ang extra space gud nato. But what can we do this in a shorter, magaling ano, synthetic division? Medyo mas kuan siya, no, kanang mas shorter nga way than the long division. So how do we do this? Well, we follow the same pattern. What do we do here is just instead of writing everything, the x something, we don't put the x anymore. How we do that? First step is we just simply copy this one, the numerator, okay? The coefficients only, no longer the values of the terms x to the 4. For example, in this case, we have 3, 0, 0, -7, -14. Ana lang, no? Bali, pasunod lang bali. 3x to the 4th. Ang meaning ani, this is what? 3x to the 4th, 0x cubed, 0x squared, -7x, -40. Muna yung meaning. Ang divisor, dili nimo ibutang sa box. Magama ka box dana, no? And ingon ani ni siya. If this is x plus 2, you simply equate that to ano no? Bali, ang imong divisor is just you equate this to 0, ang imong x plus 2, and you solve for x. Meaning, ano, no? X plus 2 equals 0. Or simply, x is equal to, bahin naman sa pikas, -2. Mag-ingana lang ang idea. So, we put here, -2. Okay? And what do you do? Simply lang kayo. Okay? Ingani lang. First step is, you bring that down here. You will have 3. Okay? Pag 3 ni mo diha, it will be what? Next step will be you multiply this 3 to this one. So 3 times -2, that's -6. You put that here. Next term, okay? Then you add. It will be what? -6. Then -6 times -2, that's what? 12. You put that here. Okay? Then you add. That's 12. 12 times -2, that's -24. You put that here. You add. Negative what? Ilan naman siya? -28, right? Am I right? Yes, I think so. Well, I think I'm right. But 7 minus 24, it's not 38. No, I'm wrong. It's what? -7 minus 24 is 31, right? So 31. -31 times -2, that's 62. Okay? Positive 62. And you add that together, we are getting here what? We are getting 22. Okay? 22. So therefore, our answer will be, when we divide, the answer is actually, so, no, atong ipakita na karon. When we divide that by this, ang answer kay, kani kay, mo ni ang remainder. Okay? Mo ni ang remainder, mo ni ang, kung nag-start ka sa x to the 4th, imong answer nag-start sa x cube. Bali, 1 lang ang iyang kuano, iyang difference sa kuan, sa imuhang dana sa babaw. So x fourth man, no? So imong answer will be, this will be now 3x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x minus 31. Okay? And kanimo nimong remainder plus 22 over, sa imong divisor, x plus 2. Dili x minus 2, but x plus 2, right? And take a look. Does this looks the same to this one? Well, exactly. Pareho sila, di ba? And this is way much shorter, right? So, synthetic division is quite easy, no? Mas sayon siya. So, but ginagamit lang siya most of the time kung imuhang divisor kay na x lang, no? Kana x plus something, x plus a constant. Mas dali siya gamiton na ingon ana. Okay? Okay, we have this 9x cubed minus 7x plus 2 over 3x minus 2. So we are now encouraged, of course, we are tasked in this problem to use synthetic division to find the quotient. Okay, sayon lang kaya na ang first step. Ato lang i-arrange ang kanana, ato lang i-arrange na siya in terms of descending dapat ang imuhang kuan. Mo gini siya ang normal na ginabuhat. That it will be what? 9x cubed plus 0x squared, right? Kaya wala man kay x squared, so dapat butangan nimo siya minus 7x plus 2. Ang denominator, medyo okay na siya. However, diani karon, dapat man ang format man sa denominator, dapat kanang x plus something plus constant para ibutang nimo diri dayon karon, i-equate unday mo siya 0. Kung daani nga case kay unsa may nakalahi ani niya, dili siya basa-basa lang x minus 2, namon siya 3 sa gawa. So what shall we do? Dapat ato siya ma-express in the format nga x lang bali ang nasa iya ha. So what shall we do with that? Well, no, atong i-quander no 3x minus 2. Well, para mawala ning quandary ning 3 di ani, ang pinaka best buhaton kay, well, i-divide na to 3 ning both sides, no? I-divide nimo ning 3 ning denominator. But the whole denominator, ha? Dili pwede isa lang, kay kung ano, i-divide mo na siya diha na tulo. So if you do that, okay lang ba? Well, for example, like na kay number, no? Yung number kay 7 over 6, no? Or wait, na kay number nga kuha 12 over 6. Okay lang ba kung i-divide mo ng 3 ning denominator? No, i-divide mo 3. Well, 6 over 3. Pilanday na siya karon. Well, may mo na siyang 12. 6 divide 3, that's what? 2. Equal pa ba na sila? Dili na, no, kay 12 over 6, 2 man na siya, di ba? Right? 12 divide 6, that's 2. Pero, kaning 12 divide 2, di naman ni siya 2, 6 naman ni siya. So, di na sila equal. Anong naguba man ng equality? It's because we divide something in the denominator and we don't do anything with the numerator. What shall we do to make things balance? Kung mag-divide ka ng 3, dapat mag-divide mo kag 3 dana, right? If you do that, that's what? 12 divided by 3, that's 4. 6 divide 3, that's 2. 4 divide 2, so meaning equal naman gihapon. Walay nahitabo sa imong fraction bali. So if we do this, if we divide the denominator by 3, we should divide also that by 3, no? I-divide po nato na siya 3. So therefore now, ang imong denominator will become, well, 3x divide 3, that's simply x, right? Mo imong gusto, x na lang siya. Then dire karon imuhang kuan, minus 2 divide 3, you'll have here minus 2/3. Okay? Simply imong gi-divide tanan term by term. Also this one, we divide term by term. 9x cubed, we'll have there 3x cubed. We have here 0x squared. We have here negative 7x over 3. Okay? Then plus 2/3. Ingana lang siya kadali, no? Medyo lisod gamay, pero kung kabalo lang tag fraction, so dili kita ma-problema. Okay? What's our next step? We just write it term by term dahil, no? So we have it 3, 0, negative 7 over 3. Then we have 2/3. Okay? Ibutang ato diri ang x is equal to what? So this case, x minus 2/3 equals 0. No? Therefore, x is equal to, ibalik lang nimo ang 2/3 sa pikas, may mo na siyang positive kung negative siya, no? X is equal to 2/3. Mo na mo ibutang daan. Okay? Sana lang siya kadali. Then, let's do now the addition lang, no? Bring down sa nimo ng 3. Then we have 3 times 2/3. That's what? 3 times 2/3. Well, 2/3 times 3 over 1 may meaning ng 3, right? So mag-cancel ng 3, we'll have 2. Okay, 2 ang answer, or 6 divide 3. 2 times 3, that's 6. Divide 3, that's 2. So 2 ang answer value, no? So we put the 2 here. Then we add. It's 2 times 2/3, that's what? 4/3. Then we add. Negative 7/3 plus 4/3. Well, pareho sila, no? LCD na kadiretso. Negative 7 over 3 plus 4/3. Pareho sila og kuan denominator. So simply negative 7 plus 4. That's what? Negative 3. Negative 3 divide 3. That's negative 1. Okay, we're happy to have negative 1 here. Negative 1 times 2/3. The answer will be, well, that's negative 2/3. And when we add them, oh, that's 0. Therefore, the answer will be simply, well, that's what? Diba? X cubed man siya, no? 3x cubed, 0x squared. So this will be 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Wala kay remainder. Meaning, whole ang imong answer bali. Therefore, 9x cubed minus 7x plus 2 divided by 3x minus 2 is equal to this, right? Okay, equal na siya bali ana. If kung dili ka mutuo na nga equal na sila, you could actually verify. How do you do that? Well, you could put values of x if you wish. Okay? For example, let's put x to be like, can we say x, let's try to put x equal to 1. Try to check if this is really correct. So, x is equal to 1, we'll have here 9 times 1, pila man na? 9 times 1 minus 7 plus 2 over 3 minus 2. Pila man na siya? 9 times 9 minus 7, that's what? 2. 2 plus 2, that's 4. That's bali 4 over 1. That's 4. Let us check kung 1 ba ni 4 ba ang answer. 3 plus 2 minus 1. Oh, more or less we are getting the correct answer, okay? Or another way of checking is, what if we multiply things? Dapat ka ni kung i-multiply na mo dali, dapat ka na ang answer. So that's just one way of doing that, but I think I'm doing the right thing, so di na ako nabuhatan. Okay? So simple lang kayo kung magamit tag synthetic division o niya ang format ay imong divisor kay dili ka naka x plus something or x minus something. You simply divide numerator and denominator. Re-express the algebraic expression to do that. Okay? Thank you.